Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we're going to talk about tape measures and what the hidden functions are on a tape measure that I'll bet you had no idea even existed. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to bring you in and I'm going to show you what I mean about the hidden functions on a tape measure. So the first hidden feature we have is the end of the tape measure. You see how it moves back and forth? It's designed like that. That movement back and forth is just the thickness of this end piece right here. So if you're measuring from an inside of a wall this way, you push it up against it and you can measure exactly 5 inches. Or if you're measuring from the end of the project and you're pulling it, you can get exactly 5 inches depending on how this moves back and forth. I'm going to give you an example of what I mean. We put this onto the piece of wood here and we pull it forward here and we're going to say 5 inches. So we come right over here and we mark exactly 5 inches right there. But now if you're measuring the inside of a wall and this piece here is on the inside of the wall and we need to measure from the inside of the wall exactly 5 inches, we go up against the wall with this tool here. I'm going to show you now. If this is pulled out, put it against the wall and you push it and you can see that it's exactly 5 inches. Okay, that's one hidden feature. It's designed to slide back and forth, and that back and forth movement you're getting is the thickness of this piece of metal on the edge. So that way you get a good reading, whether it's inside measurement or you're hooking on the project on the outside and measuring it. The second hidden feature is you can see on the very end over here, you see that small little hole right through here on the very end? All tape measures have that hole through there. And the reason that that hole is there, same thing here. The reason that that hole is there is because you could drive a nail, if you're by yourself and you have nobody to hold it, you can drive a nail into the project you're working on, hook it on the nail, and then you could pull it as far as you need to without it falling off. You have a nail, or you could even use a screw. Okay? But the best feature on these particular tape measures, and I'm going to bring in, I'll show you what I mean. Hope you can see this. If you look right down in the bottom of the tape measure, right here, you'll see that that says that this is 2 1/2 inches long. And you'll say to yourself, why do you need to know how wide this is here? Well, let me bring you over. I'm going to show you why. So we'd like to measure this area right inside here to see how far it is from this point to this point. Now, if you get in here with your ruler or your tape measure and you put it in here, you can tell it's approximately 9 and something, but you can't tell exactly how much it is. But when you have the ability to know that this piece here is 2 1/2 inches from here to the very end over here, we can just do this. Take our measuring device here, put it into the corner just like this, bring this across here, hit into the piece of the wood here, and we know that that is now 6 1/2 1/8 more. So we have 6 5/8. But 6 5/8 plus 2 1/2 is 9 1/8, right? So now let's see if it's correct. 9 1/8. So as you can see, it does come in very handy knowing how to measure the inside area and using this to its fullest extent. The next feature that I bet you didn't even know is that when you look at the end of a tape measure here, you can maybe see this one a little bit better. The end of the tape measure right here, you see how that has a little indented area right there? That's actually called the scribing tool. So you can scribe a line when you need to make a mark. And I'll give you an example. You're working on a project and you forgot your pencil. You could take the tape, put it wherever you need to, hold it in here, and just slide it back and forth. And you could scribe a line of where your project is. So a scribing tool too. Right, I hope everybody learned a couple of different items, different functions that are on the measuring tapes other than just measuring, such as the scribing tool, the ability to make the inside measurement using the body of the tape measure itself as a measuring device, the scribing line, and as well as the inside and the outside hook. I hope I was able to teach everybody something today. All right, don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit the notification tab, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.